Praise God, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally giving our balcony a little makeover, and trust me, it's been long overdue. So this small outdoor space has so much potential, and I've always dreamed of turning it into a cozy corner for morning coffees, quiet reflections, or just a chilling time. Well, there's so much to be done in this space, and I decided to start with the most transformative but affordable upgrade, that is installing an official grass carpet. The idea was to bring some life and greenery into the space without the maintenance of frilly plants. And this grass carpet is soft, it's child friendly, and super low maintenance. Plus, it instantly adds a pop of nature even in an apartment setting. So before installation, I cleared everything off the balcony and gave the floor a good clean. This is super important to help the carpet sit flat and last longer. I measured the area carefully to make sure the grass would fit snugly from edge to edge. I also trimmed around the corners and poles for a more polished look. So I was lucky enough to come across Dreamy Decor. They are located in town. They helped me with the purchase of the grass carpet and also sent someone to help me with the installation because I needed perfection and I wasn't so sure that I would have time to do the installation myself. Again, I didn't really have time to go out to shop for the carpet myself. So they really did a good job. Having ordered for the carpet online, I highly recommend them. So I took the measurements and sent them and shared them with them. I wasn't so sure, so I also took a few videos of the spaces and shared the videos with them too, so that they would have a clear image of how the space is like and the size. So that made it easier for them to get the right size and everything, and a good quote. If it is your first time here, welcome to my little corner of the internet. I'm a wife, I'm a new mom, and a woman on a beautiful journey of rediscovery, navigating postpartum life, building a home, and launching my dream business in future. This channel is where I share my real, raw, and sometimes messy life, while also celebrating the magic in everyday moments. We talk about motherhood and postpartum, we talk about home and lifestyle, we talk about beauty and self-care, entrepreneurship, some vlogs, and real life. I also want to inspire you to embrace you now, take care of yourself, and chase your goals even when life feels overwhelming. Whether you are a mom, a dreamer, or someone simply looking for relatable content with a soft, nurturing touch, this is a space for you. Subscribe and let's go together. One beautiful moment at a time. Forever is composed of nows.
Why do I feel like I linger between?
I am honestly obsessed with how cozy and inviting this looks. So much is yet to be done, but that is all for today. In this episode, I'll be adding a few more elements soon. Maybe a small table, some throw pillows, and some fairy lights. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIYs and home updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.